In this tutorial, I will show you how to implement navigation restrictions to create an optimal flow for your test. As previously discussed, a test can consist of multiple sections, and each section can have multiple pages. However, you can customize the flow of your test by imposing navigation restrictions. Navigation restrictions are set at 2 levels. The first level is located in the test settings and concerns how test takers can navigate between sections. There are 3 options available. The first option allows test takers to freely navigate between sections. The second option allows test takers to return to a previously submitted section but not to jump ahead to a section that comes after it. The last option requires test takers to submit sections one by one, with no navigation between sections allowed. In this example, I will select the second option for navigation restrictions between sections. Similarly, I can configure how test takers can navigate within each section by adjusting the settings for each section. The options available are the same as for navigation between sections, with the choices of allowing free navigation, allowing navigation only backward, and requiring navigation to proceed page by page. In this example, I will choose the third option. Let's preview our test. As you can see, I am not permitted to jump to the third section. However, if I proceed to the second section, I still have the option to return to the first section. Let's move on to the third section where no navigation is allowed. Great! I am only able to submit the page, but I am not permitted to move between pages within this section. You can combine all these navigation restriction options to create the ideal flow for your test. Thank you for watching.